Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to perform a hard reset on your Apple iPhone 14 Pro. If you have some trouble with that device, that means you have a black screen, it's always dark, or you have a white screen, white out on the screen, of course, or you cannot swipe anymore, you cannot have traffic, you cannot travel between the home screen, or you cannot come out of the lock screen, or something else, or the buttons are still not working proper. Then the first step to perform is in troubleshooting mode is that you're going to reboot the system. This is a soft version of the hard reset, because no data will be lost on your phone. The data are still safe because we does not delete them with that process. Okay, what buttons we have on our phone? On the right side we have the power button over here. There it is. This is the power button. And on the left side we have the mute switch, then the volume up and the volume down button. From these four buttons we will need three of them. That is the power button and volume up, volume down. Okay, with these three buttons we can perform now really easy, as you can see. Okay, let's perform this. What we have to do is volume up, press and release. Volume down, press and release. Go to the other side and press and hold this power button until you see in the center of your smartphone the Apple branding. That means then at this point the iPhone is rebooting the system, and at most of the time after the reboot everything is fine again. Okay, let's try this. Here we are, volume up, volume down, power button. Keep pushing it now. You can see I'm only pushing the power button and keep holding the power button pressure. Here we're now off, and now it's a reboot again. We can see here the Apple branding. Yeah, now release the button on the right side. Now it cost us a little bit time to reboot into the system, and at most of the time it is the solution for our problems, of course. Volume up, volume down, power button. Okay, and power button you have to keep pushing until the branding is seen in the screen. If you reboot it, most of the time you will enter the passcode from your Apple Face ID again, or you can, if you disable this, you can switch, you can enter into the system immediately, of course. Access to your phone, you can go to settings, then you can do general, then you can go to iPhone reset, and here we are. Here we can reset all settings, we can reset all network, we can reset the library, we can reset the home screen and location and privacy. Maybe you can try this first if you have access to your phone to troubleshoot. The second thing is, of course, if you have access to it, erase all data and settings, but after this all your settings and data are lost. So perform first volume up, volume down, power button, keep it holding until the power button will show you the Apple branding on the screen, and then that is the reboot, and at the most of the time it will work proper. Okay, so perform it again, volume up, volume down, power button, keep it holding until the Apple logo is on the screen. This is the soft version of it, and you can perform it first. This is the first step in troubleshooting. After this, the next step is, if you can enter into the settings, of course, make this erasing thing. But if this does not work too, the only step is then that you can perform the DFU mode and iTunes reset. This is the other video on my channel. I hope you does not need it, of course, because this is the easiest way to perform a nice phone again. Thanks for watching. Okay, here we are again. Here you can see we are back in business. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.